Welcome to our PowerFX series. Today, we're talking about the greater than operator, represented by the greater than character. It's a simple but powerful tool that helps you compare values, check conditions, and control logic in your apps. So, let's break it down. Imagine you have two numbers, 8 and 3. Using the greater than operator, you can check if 8 is greater than 3, which returns true. Well, that's simple, right? This operator is key when you need to compare values dynamically and trigger actions based on conditions. In PowerApps, the greater than operator is perfect for setting up conditional logic. For example, if users enter their age in a text input, you can check if they're eligible for something by writing value, open parenthesis, age input, dot text, close parenthesis, greater than 18. If the value entered is greater than 18, the condition returns true, which is the case in our example, allowing access to content that would otherwise be restricted. Now, over in Copilot Studio, let's say you're managing variables. You've created one called sales target and another called current sales. To check if the sales goal has been met, you'd use current sales is greater than sales target. If the current sales is greater than the sales target, you can, for example, trigger an alert or reward message automatically. And that's the power of the greater than operator. Whether you're setting conditions, automating actions, or validating input, it's an essential operator in PowerFX. If this helped, and you want to help the channel grow and be a part of the community, hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.